Gingerbread, with its spicy aroma and charming sweetness, has long been a beloved treat during the holiday season. From gingerbread houses to gingerbread men, this classic confectionery offers endless opportunities for playful humor and clever wordplay. Here are 10 jokes and puns guaranteed to bring a smile to any gingerbread lover's face. 1. Why did the gingerbread man go to the doctor? Because he was feeling crummy. 2. What do you call a gingerbread man with one leg bitten off? A hoblin goblin. 3. How does a gingerbread man keep his house cool? He uses ginger vents. 4. Why did the gingerbread man become a teacher? He wanted to mold young cookies into smart cookies. 5. What do you get when you cross a gingerbread man with a snowman? Frosty the Dough Man. 6. Why was the gingerbread man so good at sports? He was always on a roll. 7. What's a gingerbread's favorite movie? The Gingerbread Man, Rise of the Yeast. 8. Why don't gingerbread men ever get lost? Because they always have plenty of crumbs to follow. 9. What did the gingerbread man say when he broke his arm? It's just a crumbling injury. 10. How does a gingerbread man get around? On his cookie wheels, of course.